Welcome back to Pebble series Differentiating the Difficulties with me, Kavya Tendal. Today we'll be seeing an important topic from ophthalmology, that is optics, the very basics. Before that, if you have not subscribed to our channel, do subscribe for more interesting videos like this, and as well press the bell icon so that you will receive a daily video notification. The prime objective of the video is to remember the concept and retry at the critical time of demand by using some important tricks and ideas when we are asked. So at orals or when you're solving MCQs, this will be most useful. What we are going to see is just the identification of concave and convex lenses. Now coming to this is someone who is standing near a big cave. So just imagine this situation. Now she's standing near the cave and shouting, "Someone here," and she's shouting. Now what can we infer from this is, one, the sound wave are diverging. So remember, one is diverging. Next, the moment she go inside, she has the lesser probability of exiting out. So it's one way or single direction like that. And next, she looks actually small before this cave at the center or the entrance. Next, for her to go inside, she will be always having some negative thoughts before going inside. Then she can't see more inner which is present in the cave. She can see only superficial, that is like very small distance. This is one. So remember this, and this scenario is fitting to a concave lens. So she has negative thoughts, she looks small or thin at the center, she is lesser probability of exiting out if she entered, diverging, and she cannot see any more longer in distance. So have this in mind, and let us go to next part. Now here we now see the differences. One, we have already seen concave lens. It diverges the light by basic physics. Thin at the center, we have seen the diagram. The image moves in same direction. She will not come out, only one direction she will go, right? So image moves in same direction, and it is negative thoughts, I said, no? So it is a minus lens. To remember, minus lens, MIN, it minifies the image, and it is used for myopia, because in cave she cannot see what is more inner, she can see what is up to that level. So think like myopia. So these are all the identification points, and it is used for myopia. One of the uses for myopia, that is concave lens. Exactly opposite is the convex lens, that is convex lens will converge the light, it magnifies, thick at center, because we know this convex lens is very thick at the center, and the image moves in opposite direction. Remember the X. So here when we draw the X convex, no, so everything moves in different direction, that is, an image moves in opposite direction in convex lens, and put the X into, just rotate it, it becomes plus. So convex lens is a plus lens, and we know hyper is basically plus. No, someone is hyper, so like plus plus. So it is used in hyperopia, that is hypermetropia. This is all about the difference between concave and convex and identification. We can easily identify by seeing the thickness. At the center it will be thick in convex and thin at concave. Then the image is minified in concave and the image is magnified in convex. These are all the important points in identification too. Thank you so much for your patient listening.